All right, children, the phonics rule of the week is suffixes. This week we are learning two kinds of suffixes. You find suffixes at the end of a word. The first suffix we are learning is fool, and the second one we are learning is ly. Okay, let's go over the suffix fool. Fool means full of. Here it says helpful. That means full of help. The second word says careful, which means full of care. The next word says harmful, which means full of harm. And the next one says hurtful, which means full of hurt. Now, I am just going to read the words. Thoughtful, graceful, joyful, painful. More words with full. Powerful, colorful, cheerful, shameful, useful, and fearful. Okay, now let's read words with the suffix ly. Ly means in that way. First word says sadly. That means in a sad way. Second word says slowly. That means in a slow way. For example, I can say, the turtle walked slowly. That means that the turtle walked in a slow way. The next one says safely, loudly, softly, kindly, neatly, brightly, gladly, nicely, quickly, angrily. Okay, now the spelling words. First spelling word says sadly, which means in a sad way. Next one says gladly, which means in a glad way. Next one says softly, which means in a soft way. Next one says safely, which means in a safe way. The next one says slowly, which means in a slow way. Now, there's only 5 spelling words with ly that says ly. Now, let me go over the ones that say full. Joyful, which means full of joy. This one says playful, which means full of play. Helpful, full of help. Painful, full of pain. Harmful, full of harm. And that's it. That's the phonics rule of